As Kenyans, we complain about everything, but one thing that we should start appreciating is the slight expansion of Magadi Road from Nairobi CBD to Rongai Town. That only has shortened the travel time from 1 hour to around 25 minutes. Rongai is just 19 kilometers from Nairobi CBD, and it is among the fastest growing towns in Kenya. This estate comes with two topologies. The first one is behind me, and the print area is 200 square meters. This topology is starting from 19.5 million Kenya shillings, and each unit has been created or built on a 50 by 100 lot. The second topology is this one, same print area, same plot size. The only difference is the orientation, where you get one bedroom down on this, and on that other topology, all the bedrooms are upstairs. The estate gets a 24-hour surveillance system with a 24-hour manned gate. And from the main gate, you get visitors parking on this side. And from here, the visitors will be able to enjoy the amenities that comes with this estate. Behind me, you have the borehole of the estate, and that is the clubhouse. Let's see what is inside there. This green space is where you are supposed to host just in case you have many visitors. And next to the clubhouse, you have a kitchenette where you can cook and serve your visitors. This other space can be used as a resting area, or if you have children, they can enjoy some of their games over here. The clubhouse will come with a gym on my left-hand side. On my right-hand side, they'll have a cafeteria, and up there, you'll have the rest area. You also get a big swimming pool. Let's see it. The pool is under maintenance right now, but it has been done very well to fit adults on this side, and you get a kiddie pool on the other side. Around the pool, you have a very good kids play area so they can enjoy their outdoor games. For the most part of phase 1 and phase 2, this will be the dominant design. And the prices are starting from 21.5 million Kenya shillings. The print area of each unit is 200 square meters, and each unit will be constructed on a 50 by 100 lot. Your home will be separated from the neighbors by a live fence, but one thing that you must note about this estate is that the developer wants to maintain as much green as possible. That's why you can see we have a ton of flowers, and most of them are blooming right now. You will get very nice driveways all over the estate. The estate itself is touching the tarmac, so you'll not be getting any dirt anytime soon, and each home is going to enjoy a 2-car parking like this one. For Rongai, which is exactly 19 kilometers from Nairobi CBD, this is a very well done estate, and the facade of each unit is inviting and very homely. This is a home that will appreciate very well in the nearest future. This is the rear side of this unit, and this is how the rear side of each unit in this estate will look like. Very nice green spaces where you can relax, host, or you can give it to your children to play. And on the side of each unit, you'll get a very good clotheslines area, which is next to the laundry room. Each home has been raised by 3 stairs to keep the home away from the rain runoff, and each home is getting a metal casement door for maximum security. We get inside. For a 4-bedroom unit, a foyer is very necessary because it reveals the rest of the unit from the main entrance. This foyer comes with several other features where you get some storage for the shoes, and you have an access here which is taking you to the guest bedroom. We will see that in a minute. What I want us to concentrate on right now is the main living room. And as you can see, you have a staircase here which is taking you to the upper level where you have the other 3 bedrooms. This is the living space where you are supposed to do your 8-seater all the way to a 9-seater couch. You get massive windows on this side to make sure that this unit is getting a ton of natural light. The ceiling height is excellent. You get good recessed lights, and I like it that the developer was able to give you these units in white color. If you want your favorite color to be installed, that can always be done on request. As a modern unit, the developer has adopted semi-open plan method where the dining area is part of the main living room. This space is massive to fit a 6-seater dining set like this one, and the kitchen is hidden on my left hand side. We will see that right now. Later we will see the guest bedroom, which is still on this level, and later I'll take you to the upper level where the main family of this unit will be sleeping. Walk with me. The kitchen will come with fixed appliances like this. You get enough upper and lower cabinetry. You have a space here which has been reserved for your side-by-side refrigerator, and on my right hand side you'll enjoy a moderate sized pantry for all your dry foods. This other side next to the window, you'll get your sink, it has been done very well, and it gets an access of cold and hot water. If that is not enough, the developer has given you a water purifier down here. The kitchen has been given numerous sockets for all your kitchen appliances, and the floors has been done very well to make sure that it is very easy to wipe after kitchen chores. On the rear side next to the kitchen, you have your laundry area, and it is next to the clothesline area that I showed you earlier. This is where you are supposed to do your washer and dryer, and you get a socket here to connect both machines. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom employee quarters, so if you have one, just know they have been thought of. From the kitchen through the dining space, on this other side next to the stairs, you have the common washroom, which comes with all the fixtures that you may require. Here you are back to the foyer, and you have the guest bedroom. Let's see it. Come closer. Compared to many units of this caliber, this guest bedroom has been done very well. It would easily fit a 6x6 bed like this one. You have some spaces for the side drawers. I like it that the developer was able to do SPC floors in all the bedrooms, and the closet that you get is floor to ceiling, and it has been partitioned very well. Just look at it. Excellent. Each bedroom is coming en suite. And in the bathroom, you get a vanity, a floating WC which comes with a bidet sprayer, and a shower cubicle which is coming with a rain head and a handheld. For the shorter videos of this estate, make sure you check out our Instagram, our TikTok, or Facebook. And if you want to compare this unit to many other units on this locality or anywhere else in this country, make sure you check out our website, africanrealestate.com. The staircase is very nice. It has been done very well, and it is breaking the monotony of concreteness in this unit. I like it. The primary bedroom is the highlight of this unit. It has been done very well. It is enjoying the biggest space where you can have a small study over there. You can also convert that to a dresser, and your sleeping space is on this side. You would easily do a king size bed or a queen size bed like this one, where you can also get 2 drawers for each of you, and you have an access to the balcony which is giving you a ton of good views. The primary balcony is sizable, and this would be excellent for you to do the outside sitting spaces, or you can do a hammock here where you can relax and read your favorite book. For me, I would change it to a space where I can enjoy the evening sunset. If you are spending 21.5 million Kenya shillings, a walk-in closet is necessary. The best thing about this one is that it is floor to ceiling, and it is big enough to fit your wife's clothes and yours. The partitioning has been done very well, where you get some spaces for the hangable clothes and some other spaces for the foldable clothes. Drawers are necessary because you can always keep your socks over there. For the master bathroom, you get a floating WC as usual, and it comes with a bidet sprayer. This is very modern and it is important these days, especially for the Gen Zs and our Muslim brothers and sisters. You also get a vanity on that other side, which is coming accompanied by a mirror. And behind me, you have a shower cubicle, which is big enough to fit two. This is the first kids bedroom, and it is coming with a good space where you can do a 5x6 bed like this one. I like it that you can do a small study area over here. The closet is over there, floor to ceiling, so that would be enough for the children who like shopping. A window and a big window is necessary to make sure that the children are getting enough natural light, because they actually need the vitamin D. And the bathroom is over here, just to make sure that your kids are comfortable, not running all over the house looking for a toilet. From the entrance of the second kids bedroom, you have the bathroom. Show them. It has been done very well, and it is adopting a similar concept to all the bathrooms that we have seen in this unit. The sleeping space is over here. I like it that these bedrooms are very well done and they are very well spaced. The ceiling heights is excellent, and I like it that the developer was able to give everything in white color. If your girl or your boy likes it to be brown, blue, green, or violet, you can always get that on request. This closet is a tiny bit bigger than the one that we found in the first kids bedroom, but all of them are adopting a similar concept, and they are floor to ceiling. Excellent quality. We have come to the end of the tour, and you would agree with me that this estate is very, very beautiful. If you would want to take this topology, 21.5 million Kenya shillings is what we need from you. And if you would want to take the other topology, the prices are starting from 19.5 million Kenya shillings. Our number will be attached in the first comment, so call us and we will guide you through everything. That's all for today. Ciao.